Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I'm gonna do a daily and easygoing fall makeup for you guys. So that's the reason why I look like this. I already applied a foundation and I draw eyebrows already, so that's all I did. I'm just gonna sit and chat while doing makeup. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I really have no idea. It's kind of random video, but I love watching random kind of sit down and chatty makeup video because that looks really real and genuine and I can relate to them, so I think that's really great way to communicate my audience. That's all I want to do. Without much further ado, let's jump into it. So many people use different methods, but I really enjoy applying my foundation at first and later then I'll do contour and blush. So I'm gonna use this one. I always show this guy, so I'm not gonna read product name. It's from NYC, just in case if you are new. I love like this kind of shape, like a little bit upward because my face is kind of long. Oh, there's some dust in my eyes. So whenever I contour like this, I don't know, my face look a lot shorter. Does it make sense? Yeah, but I like it. It's my face, so what's the other freaking option? Now today I'm not gonna go crazy stuff because it's like a daily fall makeup. Yeah, so I give some definition to my face. I've been enjoying this blush again. It's from 3CE. Actually, I got this one like more than 1 year ago, around 2 years. I don't know. But at that moment, I didn't really enjoy it because it's kind of hard to use. And I have to build it up a lot to make it show up. It's like a reddish color, but it contains gold pearl, so it's cute. I love kind of reddish makeup, like a cherry color, whatever. So that's one of the reasons why I want to get the Naked palette. The cherry one, right? But that's expensive for me. I don't know, I feel really great today. Right now is Saturday morning because that's the best time for me to film. At home, no one else, and it's quite early in the morning because people like to sleep till afternoon. But I love to wake up early and do my own stuff, so I feel productive and it's quiet, so it's my best time to film, so I feel really great. So the blush is done. And later then I always do my eye part, but I already drew eyebrows. If you guys want to know how I draw my eyebrows, I also made a separate video, so you can definitely check. So I'm gonna use my Naked 3 palette. I mean, it's the best investment I did. Actually, I didn't, my mom did. But she has some allergy to this one, so she gave it to me, so. But I don't have an allergy, I can apply anything. You can see how I've been using it a lot. There are dents here. I might need a new palette. Why not? This is my favorite color, so I'm gonna take it with my finger. I like to apply base color on my lids with my fingers. I like my camera a lot, but the problem is it's really bad at focusing, so I'm always like conscious. It could be happening, the out of focus kind of thing. Oh, that's really annoying, so yeah. So apply it. Like a toned down pink color. Freaking love it. And yesterday I had a really hilarious day. I don't know, I didn't expect I'm gonna have that much fun, but random good things happen, so I really enjoy yesterday's go out, so I made a video. I think they're gonna be going up earlier than this video, so I can check. So I'm gonna use this kind of shimmery dark brown color. The name is Factory. I'm gonna use my brush. So yesterday I had fun. I drank a little bit, like 1 shot of gin and tonic and wine. I really drink, so just 2 shots make me feel like I already had enough. Good thing I eat healthy and work out, making videos. I want to give more depth. I'm gonna take this dark violet pearly shadow. I rarely use it, to be honest, but it's a really good color to give some depth. Yeah, so I had a great time on Friday. I hung out with my friend, but we had to come back earlier because she had a plan on weekends. But today my weekend plan is just like reading, planning, and making videos, editing. Oh, my title is like a basic and daily makeup, but it's getting darker. Yeah, it's getting a little like smokier compared to my first plan, but plans could be changed and that's the fun part, so I hope you understand it. So let's draw eyeliner. You can also tell my love for this. There's no label here, it's gone. I already made videos how to draw cat eyeliners, and I already showed a lot of how I draw my eyeliner, so I'm gonna go and do that off camera and I'll be right back. So I draw my eyeliner. So I always draw my eyeliners in this way, and I think the shape really suits me, so I like it. So right now I'm debating to apply mascara or not. Yesterday I applied, you know, I went out, so but in daily life I rarely apply mascara. I don't know, maybe I couldn't find the right one for my eyes, or I wear contact lenses. It's different compared to soft lenses. I wear hard lenses, so that's really sensitive to dust. My eyes hurt if some really small particle of dust gets into my eyes. Yeah, but I want to curl my lashes, so I'm gonna curl. So I finished. I think my eyes are dramatic enough for daily life, so I'm not gonna apply mascara. I just don't want to feel the stickiness. I'm gonna do highlight. Highlight is one of my favorite parts. I'm gonna use this color as highlight. It's from Maybelline, and the palette name is the City Mini palette. Rooftop Bronzes. So I'm gonna take this color with my finger. Nose. Cheekbones. Oh, cats are fighting outside. They're shouting. Like, for me, cats are the cutest animal. I love cats. I really don't have cat. Eyebrow bones. There's a slight difference. Highlight, I love it. It makes my skin look the way more better and soft and glowy. I love it. So my daily fall makeup is almost done, but I wanna sprinkle a little bit. You know, I'm gonna use this liquid glitter. It's from Transitional, and the name of it is Sand Pink. And there's a two tip here, like sleek one and big and thick one. But I prefer to use this one, and I almost use it, so it's better to use this one to get enough of the product. So it's just like a small touch. It really brightens up the whole my eye makeup. I think so. How do you think about it? So let's apply lipstick. I'm still thinking what I'm gonna apply. It's fall makeup, so I'm gonna apply kinda toned down brownish color. So I'm gonna use this one. It's from Style Nanda 3CE. You can see the same bottle vibe with the blusher one. So cats are shouting outside. I'm not sure you can hear that, but yeah, I don't film this one, you know, nice equipped studio. I'm just filming this room, so I hope you understand there might be some noise outside, but I'm trying to not include those things happening outside, so hope you understand it. The color name is Rose, and it's a matte lipstick. Yeah, it's kind of matte, but I love matte lipstick because I can apply lip gloss later, so it doesn't matter. So this is the color vibe. It looks like a little orange. It's not that too much orange, but I feel like it's the perfect color for fall season. And I think this is the last year's fall season item. Last year or the year before, I'm not really sure, but it's a fall collection. So I feel like it's a really great color for fall, and it reminds me of pumpkins. I love pumpkins, so. So this is the makeup I want to share with you guys. I hope you like this video. I love fall season, and I really want Halloween to happen. I don't know, we can do celebrate or not. I'm sure that maybe the government is gonna close down all the bars to not allow to people celebrate Halloween. But last year I didn't celebrate because I came back to Korea on Halloween day, and 2 years ago I went to Canada on Halloween day, so I didn't celebrate 2 years in a row. And Halloween is one of my favorite days because I really like costumes, to be honest. I want Halloween to happen, but who knows. Yeah, so there you guys have it. I hope you guys like it. Before filming, I don't know what kind of topic I'm gonna be talking, but my life is just okay. Just, yeah, not that perfect, but I'm trying to enjoy it. I'm becoming more calm and try to incorporate more good habits in my life. So I'm gonna share a little bit here and there in my YouTube channel, but I'm definitely gonna more focus on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and fitness contents definitely. So I hope you guys stay tuned for my future content. Anyway, if you are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and fitness video every week, and I live in Seoul. And if you like Korean culture and Korean fashion, it's gonna be really fun to hang out together. Yeah, and if you are resonate with my content and my personality, don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and hit the notification button, and don't miss out the chances to watch my latest video. Anyway, the fall is coming, so excited. I hope you guys feel the excitement. Thanks for watching it again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.